All right, data nerds. Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to my channel of That Data Nerd. Today's topic that we'll be covering is LeetCode Question 197. This is about rising temperature. We have to write a solution to find all dates ID. All dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. So compared to its previous day, for example, say today is Jan 4th, 2026. Today in Frisco, for example, it is 20 degrees Celsius. And tomorrow, Jan 5th, it becomes 25 degrees Celsius. So we'll have to pick 5th and not 4th. Got it? Okay. Table weather, we have to pick the table weather. We have three columns in this: id, record date, and temperature. So generally whenever it's given like find all dates id with higher temperature compared, whenever it says compared but there is only one table given, naturally assume that there is a self join that has to be made. Just blindfold get a blindfold your eyes and write a self join first case. Okay, so let's just write a self join. So whether w1 join whether w2 doesn't matter. Okay, now what is asked? All dates with higher temperatures compared to its previous day. Okay, so on somewhere it should be that W2's temperature should be greater than W1's temperature. Got it? Okay. But this should be another condition, not the main condition. There should be one more condition. What is that one more condition? It's compared to its previous state. For example, if we see an example here, 2015 1 the temperature was 10. 2015 2 the temperature was 25. So since it's higher than previous day, we'll pick 2. But we need to pick the ID. Okay, got it. We need to pick the ID. So we'll pick W2's ID. Then we'll reduce our space. Got it? And then 20 is there on third, which we don't have to pick, but then fourth has 30 again. Oh, so there is only 1 day gap between. It's not checking if it 30 is more than 25 and 30 is more than 10 and 20 is more than 10. It is not checking that at all. It is just checking the previous day. If it is more than previous day, it is returning. If it is not more than previous day, then it is not returning. Oh, great. Okay. So then do we find out next day? We do it by using a function called date add. This will be covered, all of the date functions will be covered our topic of um, in our topic of SQL analytics that we are covering on the side. You don't have to worry about date add, like what it is and how it works and all of that. In this particular video, you can for this particular video you can just understand that date add is a function which adds a particular number of days. You can specify that particular number of days by using interval x day. Right now I just need to add 1 day, so I will just add 1 day. And date sub is also there, but we could have also used that date sub, but here date add works, so we'll use date add. Again, you don't have to worry about date add and date sub. You can, for that particular topic, you can go through my video of date functions in SQL. So on date add, um, I need w1 dot record date. I when I will add it, I will get w2's record date. It makes sense. What am I doing? I'm doing that whether I'm joining weather to itself, and I'm saying that W1's record date, next record date. when we add one day to it, we get the record date of 2. So when we add one day to 1st January, we get 2nd January. And where 25 is more than 10, for such cases, we pull the ID. Okay, let's run this. We get ID 2 and 4, and it has been accepted. Great, let's submit it. Okay, great, it has been submitted. Great. This works, and we'll be covering next questions as and when they come. Great, thank you for watching this video.